Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by clearing the roof and removing loose cargo from the crossbars. Inspect crossbars for rated load capacity and alignment across the roof. Confirm the tent footprint matches bar spacing before lifting. Lay out the supplied M8 bolts, flat washers, lock nuts, and mounting brackets. Keep one helper standing by to steady the tent during placement. Prepare a torque wrench to tighten fasteners to specification after hand threading every bolt. With a helper, lift the closed tent onto the crossbars and center it evenly. Align the tent mounting rails with the mounting brackets and slide pins into position. Hand thread all provided M8 bolts through the brackets, rails, and washers before any tightening. Tighten each bolt progressively in a crisscross pattern to ensure even clamp force. Finish by using a torque wrench and set bolts to the manufacturer recommended value for secure mounting. After mounting, walk around the vehicle and inspect all fasteners visually and by hand. Verify clearances. Allow at least 1 inch from roof accessories and gutters to avoid rubbing. Open the tent on level ground and deploy the ladder, checking latches and fabric tension for proper operation. Adjust anything that binds or rubs, then close the tent and recheck fastener torque. Re-inspect all bolts after the first 50 miles or after the first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.